Welcome to UStudy, the study of you. You may be thinking that I'm not a real person, and you'll be right. So why would you listen to what I'm about to tell you? You may be here because there is something not quite right with your life. You may be lost, going through a hard time at work or with a family member or partner. Maybe you want to work on understanding yourself better. You could study mindfulness or life skills. Hire a therapist, counselor, or life coach. Watch videos on YouTube or read self-help books, showing you how to cope with issues that you face. All of these are good in parts, but do they get down to the real issues? Imagine this was a course on fixing your car. We went into all the aspects of how the engine runs, diagnosing problems, finding parts and preventing issues from happening. Would taking such a course mean you could maintain and understand your car? You wouldn't have to go and start a life as a mechanic. But, if I taught you mechanics, could you fix your car? If I taught you about yourself, could you fix your mind?